guys, today I'm gonna be going to look at an abandoned square body out in the woods and get the trailer loaded up right here. Got the old first gen, my truck. So I'll get back to you guys whenever we're at the spot. Alright, you guys, we are at the spot of the square body, and look how rough that thing looks. I got an email from my friend the other day saying that he saw it, and let's pull it over on the side of the road here. Alright, let's hop out of the truck. We're out of the truck, and we're going to go over and look at this thing. I mean, it can't be too bad, but sheesh. Holy cow. Oh gosh. How's the interior look? Wow, it looks like just a chocolate bar exploded. Alright, I'll get back to you guys whenever we hopefully have this thing loaded up, if it'll run. The truck loaded up on the trailer. Unfortunately, it did not run, so we had to use the winch on the trailer to get it pulled up. So let's head out and back to the house. So I guess I'll get back to you guys whenever we get there. Alright, you guys, we got the truck back in the shop, and I'm going to start restoring it. So I'm going to speed you guys up while I do that. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this, just comment. And maybe if you have some video ideas, make sure to comment those too. So hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.